Okay, it's that time again. We're going to go out in the snow, so see you outside. Fantastic weather out here today. Oh, look at that lovely snow behind me. Great fun walking down the street like a security guard. It's time for some changes. Here they come. Here's the puppy dogs. The Lynn. Got to be absolutely bonkers to be out in this. Hey, Fife's Gritters. There it goes. Yay! Some size of a gritter that. Yeah! 2 puppies! Whee! Well, just look at the sky. Absolutely amazing. But look at the icicles. Hey, hey. Meldrum Road. I'm getting snowballed by Lynn. Yay! Salisbury Street. Look at that beautiful sky. Nearly at the end of the adventure of walking in the snow with Poppy and Bonnie. The puppies!
Fucking dogs! Idiot!
Who are you, idiot?
I'm gonna kick your fucking face in.
Kick your fucking face in. Has anybody seen my bins?